Hello and welcome to Passport Software's new website. Ali Hager here in marketing, and I'm going to give you a brief tour of the new website. As you can see, we have a new modernized look and feel for the site and a streamlined navigation bar. The site is smaller and easier to navigate. You can see we have a new logo in the upper left-hand corner. This is also how we navigate back to the homepage. And we have in the main navigation bar, Cash Point under Accounting, our main products, and more business solutions under Why Passport. You may be familiar with this page. And of course, the site is more streamlined, so we'll have the modules on the resource pages. So as we scroll down, we could see a quick little summary of the products on the home page. Going all the way down to a blog post. We can also access the main blogs from here, the contact form. And of course, on the contact page, we have a support request button here for current customers, partner portal, and partner login. So the login goes to the partner site, and we have the training portal. So everything you need is in the main navigation bar. Any questions, or if you need any other information, please give Robin a call. Hope you enjoyed this brief tour and hope you like the site.